Hi everyone, in this video I will show you how to turn your screen sideways on Roblox Mobile. So step 1, or first and foremost, you need to enable auto rotate on your device. For Android, you just have to swipe down to open the quick settings panel, tap the auto rotate icon and make sure it's turned on. For phone iOS, swipe down from the top right corner, tap the rotation lock icon, make sure it's off. It should be gray and not red. Now, step 2, turn your phone sideways. You need to open the Roblox application and join any game. Once inside the game, turn your phone sideways. It should switch to landscape mode automatically. Step 3, close and reopen Roblox application. If the screen is still stuck in portrait mode, close the Roblox application completely, reopen it and try rotating again. Step 4, check the Roblox settings in-game. In some rare cases, the game may force portrait mode, so try switching to a different game that supports full landscape view. Lastly, restart your phone. A simple restart can refresh your screen settings. Thank you for watching and see you again in our next video tutorials.